dishwasher snapped real quick. They tossed the sponge, kicked off their boots, said, I'm done scrubbing all this soup. Boss said, get back here. They just grinned and bolted out the loading dock, never seen again. They're the runaway dishwasher gone in the night. Took a sunset stand and vanished from sight. Left the forks in the sink, left the knives in the grate. Now the cook's going mad 'cause it's dishwashing time. CCTV caught them hopping a fence.